All right, so here we have a chip repair. Looks like a couple of locations.
There's a few of them.
There's a few. There's one there. Would you actually fill them all? Is that how it's going to work?
Basically, it's a customer's discretion. We just explain to them the benefit and the upside to filling one chip repair versus filling 4.
Okay.
Sometimes if the cost encroaches your deductible, you're better off at changing your windshield. This one's got a couple that have been, well, not a couple. It's got one that's been fixed before, and then the 2 new ones, one here and one here.
And what you're doing there is
just drilling a small hole for a point of access for the glue that I'm going to inject in there.
okay. That fits over the hole.
Yeah, the cylinder here is where the glue goes. I put a plunger in and it just slowly forces the glue into the cracks as I thread it in. So this is UV resin in the needle here. As I turn this in, it'll slowly force the glue into the cracks.
Doesn't take very much resin, it looks like.
No, you don't want to use too much. There's a breather hole, and if you use too much, the resin will leak out the breather hole. So you just need a small amount, and then that sits on there for about 15 minutes just to allow and ensure that the glue works its way into the cracks. And then you pull it off and cure it with a UV light.